Hey guys, it's Kevin Sullivan from Pipas Law Group, personal injury and accident attorney. And without further ado, it's been requested that we review some of these who are at fault videos, who's at fault. So we're going to start with one that's pretty obvious, that's actually been trending for a while. And it's going to be the young lady that rear-ended the Lamborghini. Yes, the Lamborghini. And then she tried to blame it on the Lamborghini owner. So we're gonna do a play-by-play. We're gonna do some tips and tricks if you're involved in an accident. I wanna preface this that this is not legal advice. This is just my opinion based on this accident. So if you have any questions or have a specific question about your accident, feel free to give me a call at any time or look me up at lawkevin.com. All right, let's get started. Okay, so number one, you should probably not come up and accost somebody after a car accident, no matter who's at fault. Best thing you can do is stay calm. Okay, probably need to make sure that you're not swearing or saying any profanity, especially if you're being recorded, especially if an insurance adjuster or opposing counsel or a jury is going to see this in the future. It's not going to look very good on you.
Oh yeah? Okay. That's cool. Probably move the car from the thing and I'll call the cops for you.
Okay, so very good here. He's going to call the cops, get a report made. That's very important. It's going to be an unbiased third party that's going to make that report. I'm not even going to make a comment about this. I'm just leaving that alone. Okay, now this is huge right here. So make sure that you give your attorney, if you get one, the address of where the accident took place so they can get video footage. Obviously, when they're going back and forth as to, oh, there you go. So he got rear-ended. So obviously, when they're going back and forth as to who caused the accident, this is huge right here because this is going to prove that he was correct and that he got rear-ended. So very important. I will say that I feel absolutely horrible for that young lady's insurance company. Wow, that's going to be really expensive hitting a Lamborghini. So make sure you're careful in who you are rear-ending or getting in an accident with. That is not somebody I would want to get in an accident with. More importantly, make sure that if you are owning an exotic car like that, that you have the proper collision coverage to get that taken care of. And if you are driving around in general, that you have uninsured motorist coverage, just in case the person that hit you does not have adequate bodily injury coverage. We've already talked about that in another video. Last but not least, I want to point out, and I'm not making any judgments, but this young lady looks a little bit younger, maybe on her parents' coverage. Make sure that you are telling your kids to be careful as they're driving because the owner is responsible as much as the driver. They are vicariously liable. So we've already covered that before. Make sure you're careful in who you let use your vehicles because you could be on the hook. So crazy video. We're just going to leave it at that. So if you guys are involved in an accident, as you know, feel free to give me a call at 813-598-4868 or shoot me a message on lawkevin.com. Stay safe, everyone. Watch out for those Lamborghinis. They're expensive to hit, so don't do that. Talk to you soon. Be good.